Hi there. At the beginning of the year, I presented you with an explanation of how the bagrut works. I explained how your bagrut begins in 10th grade and continues into 11th and 12th grade. In the 10th grade, we began the literature program. This is Module D. Module D, when it is completed, will make up of 26% of your total bagrut grade. Module D, remember that's 26% of your bagrut grade, is calculated in the following manner. You have 4 book reports, which make up 20% of the literature grade. You have 2 literature tests, which makes up 40%. You have 6 post-reading activities, including 1 personal response at the end of each year, which makes up another 40%. This is known as the log. The following is an excerpt from the Ministry of Education's bagrut guidelines. Take note that if you don't finish one part of the log, points will be deducted. This year, we were supposed to do the following. We're supposed to have done 2 book reports, 1 short story, 1 poem, 2 post-reading activities, 2 literature tests, a test or assignment at the end of each chapter in the notebook. What we managed to do was 2 book reports, 1 short story log, which was made up of the worksheets, the booklet, 1 post-reading activity, 1 reflection, 1 personal response that we'll be doing today, and 1 literature test. We also managed a test at the end of the chapter in the textbook, and we did a Module C bagrut exam. We didn't manage to learn a poem, and that's what we'll start off with next year. So what is left for 11th grade? We still have another 2 book reports, 2 short stories, 3 poems, 5 post-reading activities, 2 literature tests, another personal response at the end of the year, and then we have Module C bagrut exams. I've prepared a checklist for every student. Your literature log has to be in by Monday the 28th of May. Remember, it was due after Yom Ha'atzmaut. I'm now going to show you how we can see the original presentation on the 10th grade website. Open up our 10th grade English group and go into group info. In group info, we're going to look for media links and documents. We're going to click on links, and then I think you're going to have to go back right to the beginning of the year, where one of the first links I sent you was Sharon Steffen's site. We're going to click on there. We'll go to English with Sharon. We have the 7th grade, the 10th grade, and the 11th grade. You're at the 10th grade. Here we have audiobooks, book reports, and the original English 4-point bagrut presentation. One more thing before the end. I made one little mistake, and that is that next year, in 11th grade, we will only have 1 more literature test to do and not two.